Hello, I hope you are well. Welcome to my new subscribers. Today, in the style why make simple when you can make complicated? It's the series I Complicate My Life. I will try to combine the UV resin, the epoxy resin, the Chameleon pigments and the Jesmonite. Voila! I must have a bit of a twisted mind. So I prepared a coaster mold. I put all around the Fimo paste and I smoothed weld. You'll see why later. So I have no idea if it will work, since as often I do this directly without prior testing. Otherwise it's not funny. Here I have a small bottle, the same one I used for my Jesmonite, and which is ruined since the Jesmonite has hardened inside and it will never come out again. I wrapped it with black tape, plumber's tape, more like electrician's tape. It's to keep my UV torch from getting to it, because now I'm definitely going to have to use my torch and not my lamp, this lamp. I'll go get my torch and you will see it's a UV torch, this one. So I'll get my safety equipment and we'll start. Well, here we go. I've got my gloves, my mask, and let's get started. So I'm just going to pour some UV resin in my little bottle, which has a needle. And now, what design are we going to make? The big question. So we are going to make little hearts. And now I harden it with my torch, 1 minute or so. And then I continue my little hearts. The good thing is that if you don't like the drawing, you can easily erase it with the baby wipe and start again. And that's nice because I've made a lot of mistakes. And with my stylus, I don't know the right word, I make some rectifications. And same thing with my little bottle. And this time I use my UV lamp, not the torch. After all, the mold is flat and the UV resin is thick enough to stay in place. It's easier with my lamp. So here it is. After 1 minute it's hardened. I still shake with my stylus, and now I put little dots everywhere. And when I'm satisfied, I put it under the lamp. So this is what it looks like. You can see my little dots and hearts. Well, not very regular, my hearts, but it's okay. I remove something unwanted that is trapped in the Fimo, and I smooth out the Fimo so I don't get any bumps or hollows. And now we will move on to the Chameleon powders. So the hardest part is choosing. I pass my brush well so that the powders are mixed together. There, isn't that nice? Oh yes, I love that. So now I'll prepare my epoxy resin. See you in a second. Here it is, my resin is ready. I added black pigment. Little anecdote, I put my pigment before mixing the two components of the resin. I hope it won't affect my resin. And now I simply pour in a not too thick layer, a thin layer. And I'm going to cross my fingers very hard that everything goes well and that my black resin doesn't seep under the Fimo paste. And then I can remove the paste that served as a barrier. So a small blow of lighter for the air bubbles. Very quickly, not too long in one place or you'll ruin your mold, so be careful. Oh dear, I hope my idea works. I'm not quite about it. Little air bubbles. And again I will pass my lighter. And then a little alcohol spray, and of course you don't want to light a flame after the alcohol. So I put all to harden and see you in a second. Well, it went through my curing machine. I see I have 1 or 2 bubbles, but that's not important. Now I have to take off my Fimo barrier without lifting the resin. I hope all goes well. It seems to come off well, even though this Fimo has hardened with the heat of my machine, which is about 70 Celsius degrees. So I finished removing my Fimo paste. I scrubbed well, and I think I even scraped my mold a bit. Well, we'll see. And now I just have to prepare my Jesmonite. So here it is. I made my Jesmonite. I added white as coloring agent. I hope it will harden well, because I had another problem with my scale. I knew exactly how much I needed. I measure my powder, I measure my liquid, and start mixing, and there wasn't enough liquid. So this scale weighted me the wrong way. So I had to add more liquid when mixing. So I should have used my precision scale. So here we go. Let's see how it turns out. And this time I filled my mold. In short, I used UV resin, epoxy resin, and Jesmonite. Yes, not bad. Not bad, I think. Of course, I have some Jesmonite left. I didn't take into account the volume that the epoxy resin takes. So I'm going to pour it, the leftover, into another mold. I don't want to waste anything. So now with my stick I press on the resin layer to check that it doesn't lift. Then I go all the way around to try to limit the air bubbles. All I hope is that the Jesmonite won't seep under this resin layer. I hope. Oh my gosh, I'm anxious. And then I shake a little to get the air bubbles up, and okay, it's done. So we'll see after the drying. I can't wait. Half an hour has passed and I have a big anxiety. So, demolding. Let's see if it is infiltrated or not. Well, no. Yes, I just have a few things here, but nothing too bad. Oh, I'm happy. So I'll show you what my little hearts and dots look like. Hey, it's not bad, is it? Oh, I'm so happy. I will try to perfect my technique, because the Fimo paste is very good. It works well, but it bothers me to torture my mold. I thought for a moment that I have damaged my mold. Let's see. Well, no. So I didn't remove a piece of silicone. Yes, I'm happy with that too. Hey, it's cute, isn't it? Don't you think so? Oh, I'm happy with myself. Oh, I'll have to remove this Jesmonite. But if I can, it's not easy, but I have to hurry before the Jesmonite is too hard. But in fact it's coming off well, so I'm so glad with that. Oh yes, because I wasn't confident. Well, I'm really happy that my crazy idea gave this result. It worked well. Oh, I'm happy with that. Oh yes, I continue to take off the Jesmonite. If I wipe it down, it all comes off well with a baby wipe. Yes, I'm happy. What I'm going to do is put a final coat of resin to fill everything in. I have some hair bubbles in the Jesmonite, of course, but not too much. Hey, don't you think that's pretty? It looks great, doesn't it? Please leave your opinion in the comments. Don't be shy. So I thank you for watching, for following me in my little moments of sweet madness. My hearts are not absolutely perfect, but I'm still so happy with the result. So thank you for following me in my fantasies. I'll try to come up with something else a little crazy. Take care of yourselves. See you soon. Bye.